Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Today, guys, D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, you are so right. We will be doing stew guava. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to know when D-Don upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, subscriber, follower, visitor, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up yourself, guys, because without you I wouldn't be here on YouTube. I thank you for your continuous support, and when you leave a comment, please leave a like. And if you don't subscribe as yet and you feel to do so today, go ahead and subscribe. It's free of course. There's no charge for you to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. So let's get started. 1 cup light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 5 leaves of fresh mint, a piece of ginger, half of a lime. If you don't have lime, half of a lemon, 1.5 guava. The guava is ripe, and this guava is very big. So if you are using the smaller guava, then you have to use 4 to 6. But this guava in my hand, it's very big. Over here is some seed from the guava. That's how the seed look like. If you take the seed out, it's looking like this. But because we're gonna stew it, you can crack the seed with your mouth, with your teeth and all of that. So all of my stuff here already wash or rinse properly. So you have to ensure you rinse all your stuff before we even begin. The ginger, we're gonna peel the ginger. And you want to peel it as thin as you can peel it because you don't want to cut too deep in the ginger. After you finish peeling ginger, it's supposed to be looking like this. With the guava, ensure the guava is rinsed as I told you before. We're going to cut the guava with the skin. You see how the guava big? You see how much pieces I get from that? Just cut the top right here. Take off that. Any bruises, just take it off. And if you want to cut the guava around like this, you can always go ahead and do it this way too. Let me get 2 just for some design. And the guava, you can eat it just as it is. You can't even crack the seed. The seed tough, you know, but you can crack it with your seed, with your teeth. You need 2 cups of water. And you need a skillet or your pot. This is a mint. You're gonna chop the mint finely. Not too fine, you just want to cut the leaf. With the ginger, just going to open just like that, and you're going to cut. So now that we prepare everything, this is the lime or the lemon. Just extract the juice. If you don't have an extractor, you can extract the juice and squeeze it out with your hand. The water, 2 cups of water, and the sugar. Just add that in, and we're gonna mix it out until it dissolves. After the sugar is dissolved, you're just gonna add the ginger in. Don't worry if a little of the mint leaf get in it. And follow me there over to the stove. Okay, we're gonna add this to the pot. Mix it out so all the sugar is out. And let it come to a boil. So now that the pot is boiling, we got to move on where we're gonna add the mint. And we're gonna add our vanilla. And I'm just gonna let it boil a little more, just for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're gonna add the guava in. You add the lime juice in. And you're just gonna let it boil 7 to 10 minutes until it becomes like a thick syrup. And I'm telling you guys, this thing is so tasty. You know, I've done video like I make guava jam, and the guava jam is there, guava juice. Yeah, it's so tasty, I'm telling you. So after it starts to boil up again, then you're gonna see the difference. So just cover and let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, see we're boiling, you see that thick syrup that you want to have. But you have to be careful, guys, so it don't boil over on the stove. So it best you half cover the pot, or just leave the pot open, because if you covered, as I did before, it can boil over in the stove. So if you cover, you just have to pay close attention. So after 10 minutes, we're looking like this. Got our thick syrup. I'm just gonna give it 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Checking in, guys. This is how you want your syrup to be. Not too watery. You see the color, the consistency of it. This is how you want it to be. And yet, when you taste, I'm telling you, so don't go away. So after you turn the fire off, just let it sit there. So that's the reason why you don't want it to get too thick, because the moment it gets warm, the syrup will be much thicker than how you see it's looking right now. So let it sit there a little before you even attempt to dish it out. Mind you get burned. Our stew guava, I tell you, it tastes so good. This is the finishing result of the stew guava, and this is some syrup here that left over. So with the stew guava, guys, you can have it with crackers, you can have it with bread, you can have it with anything of your choice. You can drink it just as it is, eat it just as it is. The kids will love this. It's a sweet treat. It's so sweet and tangy. So give it a try, beautiful people. And I love you. I thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Thank you for your thumbs up, all the like. Thank you all my subscriber, follower, viewer. I thank you all. Peace and love. And from D-Don Kitchen to where? Your kitchen. We're gonna do we. So have a good day, and I see you on the next one. I am gonna enjoy my what? Stew. Do. Guava. I'm gonna enjoy that now. I see you all again, guys. I really love you. Thank you all. Bye.